Good morning, everyone, class. Today we are going to start with your next exercise, that is 5.2. This is quite related to the first exercise only the much questions have been given here. So class, you can see the first question. In this it is little given related to the filling the blanks, and the formula I believe that used is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d, and the missing one you have to find out. So class, in first one a is given, d is given, n is given, and you have to find out an. So class C, simply you have to apply this formula, and here at the top it is given, you can see that this is given, this is given, this is given, and this we have to find out. So we can use this formula and we can determine the value of this an. So after substituting we are getting an is equals to 28. Now similarly the next one in this an is given, in this an is given as 0, n is given, and a is given. We have to find out d. So using the same formula, in this same formula substituting a is equals to 0, an is equals to minus 18, and n is equals to 10, we can determine the value of this d. So very simple question for you people. Now next other part you will do yourself. Now class, moving to the next question. In next question, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Now optional one question it is. This is the question given and these are the given option. Now the question says that 30th term of the AP we have to find out which will be the 30th term of AP out of these four. So first of all we have to determine A is the first term only. Second, we have to determine, we should know difference. So 7 minus 10. Class, do remember 7 minus 10. Second term, D is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. So any formula we can use, we can do A3 minus A2 also. We will get the same result. So after that, we have to put the formula of An like this. In this you can see that A is how much? A is your 10, and An they have determined by A2 minus A1, that is a minus 3. Difference can be minus 3 also. Now we just have to substitute the value of n is 30. So A 30, we have to substitute the value of 10 A, that is 10. We have to substitute the value of n, that is 30 only. We have to substitute the value of d, that is minus 3. Now on solving you will get this, and after that final answer is r minus 77. So out of which you can say that in this question which is the correct option? The correct option is correct option is minus 77. Wait, yes, correct option is minus 77 is the correct option. Similarly you will proceed with the second part also. In second part it is given little in fraction, so there is a calculation in this, but let's go with it. This is minus 3, that is the A. Now 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 you will determine, you will get your D. N is this much. Now substitute the formula. Now finally substitute the formula, you will get your answer. So see the solution. In this first of all A is how much? Minus 3. This one A2 minus A1, that is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. You have to see minus sign, I have told you in class 9th also, always put in bracket. You will have no problem with that, no calculation problem. so they have also put in bracket. Now after that on solving it is coming 5 upon 2. Now they have substituted the value. A is -3, N is 11, D is 5 by 2. Now inside this bracket it is coming as 10. Now on solving it is 25, finally it is 22. So option B is the correct option. So class, I hope you all are understanding. Today we have to do many questions, so class, view this video again and again, then you will be easily be able to do these questions. Now class, let's move to the next question. Your next question is again the missing we have to find out in missing number in between. So class, in this the trick is we can see that here are the three elements. So here A is equals to 2, that is the first term, and here the 26 is the third term. So third term we call it A plus 2D. So A plus 2D is equals to 26. Now we have got A, we have A also, and we have this equation also, this equation. So in this equation we will substitute the value of A, we will get D. After getting D, second term, this we have to determine, that is A plus D. A is how much? 2, and D you will determine by there, and finally you will get the second term. Similarly, now see the solution. What they have done? They have done A is equals to 2 and A3 is equals to 26, and A3 is what? A3 is the formula. On applying the formula of AN, A3 will become A plus 2D. So finally value is substituted. A is how much? 2, so 2 is substituted here, and D they have determined. After that, after determining D, we have to find out this A2. A2 is A plus D, that is, or if we apply the formula of AN1 formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. If we will substitute here 2, here also we will substitute 2, we will get A plus D only. So whatever the method you want to use, you can implement. So A2 they have determined here, and finally the answer is 14. Similarly, for the next one, we have to find two values. We have to find out two values. So this value we have to determine, and this value. But what is given, we have to see that also. So what is given? A2 is given and A4 is given. So A2 is, in shortcut you can say A plus D, and A4 is A plus 3D. But they are using AN1 formula, so you can apply this also. So on applying AN1 formula, A2 in place of N2, in place of N2 they have substituted. After that A2 is given as 13. So on solving we are getting this is as first equation. This I what they have written, it is the first equation. Similarly we will get the second equation. Now these are linear equation in two variable. This one equation and this one equation is linear equation in two variable. 13 is equals to A plus D, and 13 is equals to A plus D, and 3 is equals to A plus 3D. So on subtracting they are getting the value of this D. Now D we have determined. A we will determine by this equation or this equation. After that we have to find out this. This is what? This is A, and this is what? This is A plus 2D. So you will substitute the value of A and D here, and finally you will get the solution. So class, we can do the rest of the parts also. Two parts I have told you. In this two part I have told you. The third part also, it is like this only. A is given and A3 is given. In this A is given and 1 2 3 4 5, A5 is given. So in this A2 is given and A6 is given. 3 4 5 6, A6 is given. So we can solve it, and and you have to show the solution also, so do it very seriously. These are very important question, board questions these are. Now class, let's move to the question number 4. In question number 4, it has been asked that 78 is which term, means we have to get the value of n, and this is given as an is given. So first of all, what we need to have a, that is 3, what we need to have d, that is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So 5 we have determined, a we have determined. Now this is 7. Now using this formula, 78 is our an, a is 3, n we have to determine, and this is 5, d is 5. On solving, what we are getting, n is equals to 16. So this will be the 16th term of the given AP. I hope you all are understanding class. Class, you have to view this again and again, I am telling you. Now next question is the same question, which term is 205. So again, this is an, this is our an, this is our an, and we have to get the value of n. So a is 7, d we will find out this minus this, we will find out by this minus this, and after that we have to put the formula of an. See the solution. A is 7, D is 13 minus 7, that is 6, an is 205. Now substituting the value, you will get the value of n as 34. Okay class, now let's move to the second part of it. In second part, our A is 18, D is how much? D is 15 1 by 2, 15 1 by 2 minus 18. So 15 1 by 2 is how much? 31 upon 2. Taking LCM and solving, we are getting minus 5 upon 2. Now our an is how much? Our an is 47. An is 47, and now substituting the value here, an, d, a, on substituting, this is a little tough calculation, so that you have to see, and for any problem you can ask me. And finally it is n is equals to 27. So class, till here you have to do today, and we will continue further, and do it by this hour only and send me the work. Many of you are not sending the work. Class, be serious about it. You are in class 10. Tomorrow after in evening I will send how many of you are sending the work. In group only I will write the name of those students, those who are sending the work, and later on I will send the name of those students who are not sending the work.